1 minute. Manigabot sa po. Kumana.
So we're now toasting the glutinous rice.
Sauteing. Saute. Akong kis-kis-kis-kis kay wala na ko naghugas sa kaldero. Kanina lang the same pan. Sukad ganiha. Kis-kis-kis-kis. Unsa natin na tudo. Naman ang flavor din di ba sa kato sila.
So we're adding the
Black eyed.
no, that's pinto beans.
Ah, pinto?
Yeah.
I will.
So these are the leftover ingredients for the Ma-Tsang, and we cooked them into like chicken adobo or chicken stew, actually with a special twist with shiitake mushrooms and the kinsam thai. So this should be more delectable than the ordinary chicken adobo.
Wait. Again. There you go. And we have a cup now to put the ingredient. First, we put the rice. Then the meat, a piece of meat. This one. Then a piece of mushroom. A piece of Chinese sausage. Oh, there you go. And then vegetable. We have vegetable. And then we have, what do you call this? Beans. I should have used a tablespoon. Beans. Then I have some dried shrimps and a chestnut. Then cover it with rice again. Then I will cover this like this. I do not know how others wrap theirs. I wrap it like this. Then I will tie it with a string. You see that? The string is too short to turn. Okay, done. It's done. Is it covered? All covered? See to it that nothing.
Mm.
Cover it with rice again. Na ba ito chestnut? Chestnut. I forgot the chestnut. There you go.
And then the other one for the steam.
Yeah.
So actually we're experimenting. So now for the we're using two cooking methods. We're both boiling and steaming the Ma-Tsang, so we can compare the taste and the texture. For the water that we use is actually from when we soaked the bamboo leaves, so hopefully some of the bamboo leaves flavor gets infused into the matcha. So we're gonna boil this or steam this for about an hour or so. Just the steamer. I-detach ang steamer ba ni put it on the if you can put it on the cutting board. Karon.
Cutting board o diri skillet doon?
Di sa cutting no, put it on the cutting board because it's very wet me. Okay, and then we'll try to check
Aray,
one.
pasok. Dako na. Kanina tubo na yun ni kay ni dako.
Okay.
Na.
So an hour has passed.
They're
So
testing.
we're gonna check if it's already cooked.
Init
So we're
ka.
untying the thing.
Nalimot man ko, di ba diri man to? Ang meat atong tanaw ko naluto ba dong?
Yeah.
Narbo to-
Get the fork.
Ako ni open nun? Asa man to?
To continue cooperating with the government, to continue cooperating with the international partners, to
Mushroom man eh.
continue with the vaccination is the
Mao
only
ni, aw.
protective measure. It is
Gamaya sa
So we are testing the opening up the boiled version of the Ma-Tsang. Earlier it was the steamed version, and it seems like it's still not fully cooked. You know, the one earlier. So we'll see.
I really feel like I'm eating a grapefruit. We have the refreshing side. Do you like the aloe vera?
We'll see if it's.
Oh,
That's exactly what I want.
naluto na dong.
Uh,
Kari, what mo change ang iyang grain sa rice? I-boil yun di ay good.
yeah. Try to open up the.
Okay naman ni siya, kay wa man musud ang tubig.
By 2 or 3.
During opening hours, 35 pastry chefs bring Grolet's ideas to life.
When he's not here, I tell myself
Di ba?
it's time to push myself a bit.
Kanang sticky rice, anak man.
Concentrates on today's
Sticky rice
Yeah.
ba?
Grolet is all
Kari wala.
on next
Wala maluto. Ato na lang ibutang.